once we have completed the lecture. Right? So now we're going to do the tutorial. So in this tutorial, we're going to practice and apply everything that you have learned on the lecture before, and then produce a simple floor plan of interior. Let's begin the session. Right, so we're going to start the plan right now. So first thing, as usual, what you have to do is to check the unit. Type unit, or the shortcut is UN. Make sure the scale that you're doing is actually on millimeters. All right, and precision is 0. Then click OK. And second, go to the icon AutoCAD here and go to the page setup. Right, and then modify and pick up your printer or plotter output. Right, so as usual, we pick up AutoCAD PDF high quality, or if you have any other software, third-party software for the PDF, example like Adobe and so on, then you can use Adobe. All right, and then the next one, we're going to produce this I think about on A3 paper. So you can use A3 paper full blade. Right, A3 paper full blade, A3. All right, there you are. Okay. For now, fit to paper, center the plot, and landscape. And don't forget the plot star table, right, that we created before this, and choose your plot star table. All right, and then the menu will appear. So assign this to all layouts. All right, then press OK. Close. Okay, the next step to do this is to figure out the working space that we'll be working that we're going to create our drawing. Right, so what can we do? Simple, just create two line, vertical line, just get any line, any size, and then draw a horizontal line. All right, so basically the size of wood that we're going to work with is the size of within 10 meters times 10 meters. So offset the line, press O, offset, or you can click here, the offset here, there, right, offset, and key in 10,000. 10,000 is actually 10,000 millimeters or 10 meters. Click, and then click to the right, click the vertical line here, horizontal line here, and click to the top. All right, spacebar. Right. So once you have done, press Z for zoom, spacebar, and press A, spacebar, and there you are. Okay. So this is the working space that we'll be working on, right? Okay. So the reason why we need to do this, sometimes the zooming is too detailed or too tiny, and then when you create line, you can't even see where the lines goes, right? So that's why it's important to set up your working space. And then the next step is to create the limits for your working space. So to create the limits, type in limits, LIMITS, bar, right? And then please read them. Limit specify lower left corner. So just click lower left corner of any area. All right, and then another one is upper right corner. Okay, so just click upper right corner. All right, so that's the limit of our drawing. It means that whenever we do the zoom all, Z, press bar A, then will be bring to this size here. It means that you will not lose your line if let's say you have lines that going to anywhere or any your view is actually go somewhere else, right? So when you press zoom all, then it come back to where you have saved your limit just now. All right. When you have done this, you can actually just delete all the line inside here. Okay, done.